Mr. Knippen, call your first witness, please.
The state will call Trey Johnson.
One of the individuals who's requested not to be photographed, so we would ask that he not be pursuant to the court's previous order.
You solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you will give in these proceedings to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
You may be seated.
You may.
Sir, would you please state your name and spell your last name for the record?
My name is Trey Johnson, Johnsson.
Sir, how old are you?
21,
Where did you go to high school?
West Carrollton High School.
And did you graduate from West Carrollton High School?
Yes, I did.
Are you familiar with an individual by the name of Brooke Richardson?
Yes, I am.
Sir, do you see her in the courtroom today?
Yes, I do.
Could you please point her out, describe what she's wearing?
Right there in a green top.
Noted, thank you.
And how do you know Brooke Richardson, sir?
I was in a relationship with her for about a month in 2016.
Okay. And was that during the month of August of 2016?
Yes, it was.
How did that get started, sir?
I had a cousin that went to high school with her who introduced us over social media, and we began talking that way.
Okay. And do you remember approximately the time in August when you first started hanging out and seeing each other in person?
The first week of August.
Okay. What types of things would you guys do together?
The first time we hung out, we went to the movies, went to dinner, we'd go get ice cream, just that kind of thing.
Okay. Did you ever go to her home?
Yes, I did.
And would you hang out with her at the Richardson household?
Yes, I would.
Okay. And you stated this is sometime in that first week of August?
Near the end of the first week is when we started hanging out.
Okay. At some point, did the relationship turn sexual?
Yes, it did.
And did you have sex with Ms. Richardson?
Yes, I did.
How many times?
2.
During those times, sir, did you use protection when you had sex with her?
1 out of the 2 times.
Okay, so one time you did not use any protection?
Yes.
Do you know around when in August that was?
Middle August.
Okay. And this is all in 2016?
Yes, sir.
At some point, did your relationship come to an end?
Yes, it did.
Sir, who decided to end it?
She did.
And do you know approximately when it ended?
I began school at Wright State on the 26th, I believe, and it was before I went back to school.
So you began school on the 26th of August?
I think so, right around that day.
Okay, and it was before that time period that
Before
she
I
ended
started back my freshman year, yeah.
Okay. Did she tell you why she wanted to end the relationship?
She said that she had too many things going on with her senior year of high school and that she would not have time.
Okay. Did you wish to remain friends with her?
I mean, the most that you can be friends with somebody coming from that position.
Okay. And did you two continue being friends?
We did not.
What happened?
Nothing happened. We never spoke after that point.
Okay. Did you continue?
We were either I was blocked on everything or no form.
Tell you that you were in fact the father.
No, sir.
You haven't had any discussions with her about that whatsoever?
Not at all.
Sir, at some point during the investigation, after everything came to light, did detectives from the Warren County Sheriff's Office show up and request a buccal swab sample from you?
Yes, I did.
And did you provide that to the detectives, sir?
I did.
If I could have one moment, Your Honor. I don't have anything further. Thank you.
Mr. Ritters, cross.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Johnson? Yes, sir. You were in college when you started dating Skylar. She was in high school, right?
About to begin, yeah.
You're older than her.
Yes, sir.
And you do remember talking to the sheriff's office, correct?
I do.
And they said that they responded to Imperial Road address. That would be you?
Yes, sir.
And at first you denied there's any possibility that you were the father, correct?
From what I believed, yes. From not hearing anything, that's what I had assumed, yeah.
And you stated that you did everything but had to have sex.
I do not recall that.
Do you recall telling Detective Carter and Lieutenant Fain, who did you speak with?
I am not sure about that.
Male or female?
One male, one female.
Okay. Do you remember telling them that you did stuff for about a week in late July or first week of August, and then the next week she suddenly blocked him on all social media, and he has not spoken to her since?
No.
They got that wrong. Detective Carter did.
I do not recall that part.
Okay. No further questions, Judge.
Anything else for this witness?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. You can step down. Next witness?
State would call Ashley Sparkman.
Ms. Sparkman has also requested that she not be photographed. All right, Mr. Mullins, we're going to hold off on our witness for right now. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take our morning break. We will plan on coming back here at about 10:20. Remember what I have previously told you. Do not start thinking about how this case is going to be decided, nor to begin forming opinions or begin discussing it amongst yourselves. If you're one of our note takers, just leave your notes on the chair, and they will be there when you get back. Mr. Mullins, you can take the jury out. All right, we are on the record outside the presence of the jury. Ms. Schoppacher, what's our status?
So Judge Keith called and said that, I don't know what he's listening through, that he could hear conversations at those council tables.
But we don't know what he is listening in,
I would-
what form he is listening in?
Correct, I would have to contact him and see if it's jabs or,
Okay.
I don't know if there's another